folks? It's me with the crazy hat. It's actually pretty cool, these hats. I know they look crazy, but they keep you warm. So, I'm not one of these racist people who doesn't... Mind you, I've never worn it like this, with the top up. But anyway, this is weekly What's New. What's new this week? Before I tell you what's new, don't forget to click like, subscribe, all the buttons, all that stuff, and whatever. It's a funny hat. So I thought I'd have some fun. What's new? Got some parts in. A tool review. I hate Amazon. I love Amazon. I hate Amazon. That's a whole nother story. I have to send the front fork thing back to get powder coated because I may have torched the beautiful powder coating, so I want to make it nice again. But I sent two of them back out to get powder coated, so I might have two extra triple trees to work with. And when I bring that one back, I'm going to bring this one back too. And powder coated. Look, I got ears. See? Okay. Anyway, now that I look like Goofy. A lot new going on. I just haven't had time. Like, trying to work in between work, play, and doing stuff. Just trying to get shit going. I still have to unscrew the bolts out of there. I've been back to work now, so I'm going to try to squeeze in weekday time to get that done, send it out, and get it powder coated, because I don't feel like trying to get bolts out with powder coat on it and screwing up powder coating. So that I have to get done. That's it. Got a lot of cool videos coming out. They're cool to me because it's just me doing stuff. If you like my channel, it's just me doing stuff, wearing stupid hats and working in my garage. I need a bigger shop. If anybody wants an M270, an 1966 M274 mule, hit me up. I'll sell you it. $7,000 if you come and get it. $7,000 if you want it. If you want me to deliver it somewhere, it's 8 G's. It's in mint condition. Those are fully restored. I need space. Plus, if I can clear out that spot, it'd be perfect. I'm not selling the Mini, so don't get any ideas. And I'm not selling all the bikes, except for the one. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and hope you enjoyed the channel. I'm going to keep just doing stuff. Thanks for watching.